Hi everybody, it's Carol, and I'm here to talk to you from Carol's Corner and Morris, Kaye & Sons Furs. How is everybody doing? I wanted to reach out to you to tell you that we're here for you at Morris, Kaye & Sons. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and let me talk to you about your fur storage. Life's going on, you still need to store, get those furs cleaned, get them ready for the fall. So we've been thinking about you here at Morris, Kaye & Sons. I want to offer you some options. Let's say you want to bring your furs in, but you don't really want to get in the store itself. Great, bring them over. We will come out. You'll give us a call ahead first. We'll write all your information down. We'll come out. We'll gather your merchandise. We'll bring it all in. And then before you pay, we'll look everything over. We'll call you back. You can pay with a credit card then, or you can just write us a check and send it to us in the mail, however you'd like to do it. So that's one option for you if you don't want to come in and you want to bring them all yourself. Number two, you don't want to come out at all. You're happy in your home, you've hunkered down, and maybe in your Morris Kaye fur. Hey, I got a great idea. If you're hunkered down and you got your Morris Kaye fur around, why don't you shoot us a little photo of what you're doing while you're hunkered down in your Morris Kaye. We'd love to share it on our Facebook page. We still want to keep up with you as the days go along. So feel free to do that. But you don't want to come out. Great. Give us a call. We'll send Mission Courier right on over there. They said give them a 3 or 4 hour window. So give us a call in the morning. If you don't call us to the afternoon, it'll just be the next morning. No problem at all. They'll pick up all your garments, 1 garment, 5 garments, 50 garments, all just for a $25 pickup fee. We'll get them all here. We'll look them all over. We'll call you back once we receive them. We'll discuss what needs to be done. You can pay us with a credit card then, or you can mail us a check, whatever makes you happy. Let's say you want to come in. Don't worry, we're ready for you. We can get it in here, get the same process waiting. We'll have you ready. Everything's wiped down, perfect. We're going to take great care of you here. You can bring your furs for storage. Of course, I always love to see you. So we can still do that. We have great opportunity to look at some of our new things, which of course, you know, I always have. It's going to be a cold front in just a few days. So if you need a little bit of something, come on in. I still got it for you. But we're here for storage. We're here for cleaning. If restyling is what you need, I can do it when you come in. We are going to be doing another resale clinic next month. So if that's more up your alley, you can bring everything in for storage now and we can make an appointment for you. But Morris Kaye is here. Normal hours for right now. Keep checking with us. We may change it accordingly. Maybe take Mondays off. I'm not really sure yet. We're just going to kind of play it by ear how we're going to do this. We are here for you. So if you need us, we're here in any kind of fur capacity or any other way. I'm going to look forward to seeing you. We're here Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 3 right now. Call me if you'd like, 210-820-3877. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.